What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to my garage. So here's my C6 Corvette, as you guys could see. So I picked this car up about 5-6 months ago, and the car is in really good condition. I have no complaints about it, but I did have one complaint, which was the way these rotors looked. You could see here that they were really rusty. Alright, now the rotors look to be in really good condition. They seem to be pretty new. There's no wear on the actual rotor. It's nice and smooth. The brake pads are in good condition, but as you guys can see here, these things they were pretty terrible. I put this thing in the bath last night, probably about 10-11 o'clock last night. So it's like 5 o'clock in the evening right now. So basically about 20 hours ago I left this in the bath, and today I just got home and I wiped it down with a rag, and all that rust basically just came right off. Right, I ended up picking this up last night, Home Depot. It was $14. It's a calcium and lime rust remover, as you guys can see here. It says to dilute it 50-50 with the water. That's exactly what I did, and that's all I did really. You know, I threw it inside the bucket here and I left it in there. So like I said, guys, I just removed the other rotor from this side, and I'm going to be doing the same thing. So yeah, there's a side-by-side comparison. I mean, this thing is terrible, you know. So like I said, guys, I'm going to be doing the same thing. I'm going to be throwing it in that bath, and hopefully, you know, I get the same results. I don't see why I wouldn't. After this air dries, you know, I'll probably give it a couple of days. You know, once both of them are all set, I'm going to give it some protecting. So it's like the Rust-Oleum high temperature. I'm going to mask this part off here and just spray it just to give it some kind of protection, because there was obviously no protection on this. But that's about it. The front ones, they're in the same situation. They're not as bad. You can't see it as bad, but I'm definitely gonna do the same thing. As you guys can see here, you know, no wear really. It's nice and smooth. It's just really rusty. So I doubt these are the. I know this is a Z51 package, so it comes with the drilled rotors from the factory. I doubt these are the factory, you know, given the age of the car. But who knows? I'm not sure. I don't see any markings on it. But like I said, guys, if you guys are looking to do the same thing, this stuff actually worked pretty good. You know, really inexpensive. You know, basically about $20 all in with the spray paint. Clean it all up. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.